Hello loves, today I'm going to share with you beautiful perfume from YSL. It's Lauren. This is a perfume 50. Very happy. I thought so. This is how the perfume looks like. It's well packaged. Hello lovelies, I'm not wearing any makeup today, so I thought I'd share with you some great blog posts, everything. So this is to be a fun read at my awesome blog posts for you guys, and I hope you enjoy. So one of the blog posts I've written is titled 9 Top Female Artist Blogger System. So Jessica Oz, I mentioned in here the Adele, Ilse DeLange. These above mentioned artists are very talented. For example, in here the Uche Jumbo, Genevieve Naji has been featured in several Nollywood movies. Jessica Oz is a great YouTuber. She's a vocal artist. She does Fiverr gigs. So you all know Oz. So I'm also promoting Linda EKJ. Sorry guys, I'm a bit shy. I'm not wearing makeup. No atom of makeup. It doesn't look bad. Good morning, arise and shine. This is going to be a wake up with me video, life of a IT health consultant. Without further ado, let's get started. This is my Miss Dio perfume. I love the perfumes and they smell really nice. So these are my two favorite perfumes. I love this perfume so much. They're very feminine and great perfume to wear. Highly recommended for all women. Hello guys, this is my current favorite charger. So if you guys want goods and services from Europe, you can contact me. I'm a personal shopper. So I have been doing some updates on akenapatients.com, my website. So I've added some new columns. Facebook I've added also. So I'm going to add Flickr, TikTok,